It started with a sound. Faint, hollow, like a dull metal hum under the floorboards of reality. He didn't know when exactly he heard it first, only that once he noticed it, it never stopped. Each day, the world grew quieter. Not silent, just wrong. No birds. No neighbors. Even traffic was muffled, like sound was being swallowed. He tried to record the noise. Played it back again and again, but there was nothing there. No hiss, no hum. Just a gap. A crack in sound. And he realized, it wasn't that something was making noise. It was that something was removing it. One night, the noise grew closer. It wasn't from outside. It was in the walls. He stood still in the dark as the plaster throbbed, and breathed. His girlfriend called. But her voice was gone. Only static. Then, a whisper, not hers. They took her voice. And then, silence. He knew what it wanted now. It lived in the space between sounds. Feeding off the quiet. And every time he spoke, it got closer. Now, there's only the hum. And if you listen hard enough, you can still hear him, screaming. Beneath the silence.